I got a little secret for everybody. I know I told a few people about this, and I'm just on my way over, but I found some abandoned wasteland, and basically I figured out a perfect MOTOGP circuit. Like, I made this cool lap around it, and I kind of want to bring all the homies and time ourselves. When I came, it was on a Sunday, so it was a lot more. Actually, it was kind of dead. Today's Friday, so we're gonna see. I kind of scoped it a little bit. It's a little busier than I want, but we're gonna see what we can get away with. But at least I'm gonna lap it out for you guys, because there's something else I want to show, and that's what I'm more excited for. So this is gonna be the starting point of the MOTOGP. So we'll start like from back there or something, and you're gonna kind of, well, you're gonna actually rip it, and we're gonna come around here. Fucking stop, and you kind of like get a lean in here, and obviously if you're going a little quicker, it's going to be a little more fun. And you come here to the right, then you're going to loop wide. So I'm just going in slow right now so everyone can kind of see the layout. So we're going to start back there, make those turns, come over here, loop wide. Gotta look out for that stuff. This stuff is slippery. I'm going to try and come one day with the car. I'm going to sweep it, I'm going to make it all nice, but here's a little straight. You keep going wide. Oh, getting some lean, sheesh. Roll on the throttle. I forgot if I want to go that way or this way, but we'll go this way for today's sake. And this is the fun section I tell everybody about. Okay, you got turn one, you get some good lean, now you come into it. Then you got turn number two, you lean right, lean left. Now turn number three. We're going to keep it going. Turn 4 to turn 5, and we cut through here. Yeah, when I came on Sunday there was nobody. Then we cut through here because you got all this room to cut wide. And then we come on this back straight. Come into here. Yeah, when I came on Sunday, it was empty. Watch the pothole. It was empty, so it was nice. This is Friday at 6:40. This is slow. Okay, that's that last straight. And you can see we come in here, and this is where you loop back in. So now this is where lap 2 starts. So that was one lap. And so this is what lap 2 is going to look like. I'm going to look like what it looks like to be finished. So if it was lap number 3, this was number 3, we do lap 2. We're going to keep it going. Oh, I bogged in second. Downshift. Ooh, see, I went a little. Well, you gotta maybe go out to here. See this yellow? Come here. Then we're gonna go whoop, get some leaning. Tuck your booty hole a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Puckers coming in kind of hot. Woo! See, there's the start. Oh, no, never mind. So you come in here, lap 3. Going wide. Going leaning. There we go. So we're saying that I want to do 3 laps, and this is lap 3, just for simulation purposes. Downshift it, loop in. We're gonna go like this, a little bit of gravel. And this is where last pickup speed. Downshift coming in kind of hot. And then here to finish. So that's my idea of the MOTOGP circuit. We'll have everybody time themselves on 3 laps. That was lap number 1. And it's gonna be from a start from right here. So that was the layout. I'm gonna give it a rip. I wonder if I know how to get fancy and put a timer up in here. I 100% don't know how. So when you see this, it probably won't have a timer, so just look at the timestamp and we're gonna time it from there. So went over that, I felt the backside out a little bit on that downshift. Yeah, that shit's wet. Coming in too hot. We were in second, which is fine. Second, we were in third. This area is my favorite, I swear it. Just leaning, having so much fun in this section. Literally my favorite. See, like that kind of getting to be able to throw the bike around is my favorite. I just stayed in third on that one, holding my power. If I wanted to, but no need. We're just gonna do one lap of Rooney and get out of here. It's getting kind of hot. Too many people. Back down the second. Losing speed on that. I don't want to go too tight. This is that slippery stuff. And there we go. One lap. I wonder what my time is. Comment below. Was that trash or ass? I thought it was a little bit of both. So that's the MOTOGP circuit. I got a lot of work to do, but I have a blast ripping that. I'm probably the slowest one. So much fun. I want to cut through here and circle around, but it's wet. That's all. I had the sprinklers on, so nope for me. So I was like, oh, I can't do that. I'm gonna slip. I mean, these are pretty. I mean, I somewhat use these what are these? A Michelin Pilot? No, Michelin City Cups. I mean, I put on a couple 100 miles on them. Yeah, we good. I put a couple. No, not a couple hundred, but I put on like 102 on them. And dude, even stock. Ooh, a little bit of gravel. That was not fun. Even stock. Can we squeeze it? Yeah. Nope. Even on those what are they, the V rubbers, mine were semi bald, pretty bald. These things brand new, gripped way harder. I know everybody says wet tires, fresh tires are terrible right off the start. Dude, these things gripped right off the bat. Now that they warmed up and broke in a little bit, these things grip and inspire confidence. So I really recommend these tires. I didn't try the Pirelli, the ones that everyone recommends, the Diablo Rossos or whatever they are. I didn't get to try those boys, but I'm content with these. I really like these. They're a good price. This is my second secret spot, but when I came last time, there was none of this fence. This fencing wasn't here, so I was like, I saw it. Oh, look at the little ducks across the street. Why'd they cross the street? To see Gramania. Yeah, this place, I'm just gonna do quick. It was open last time, but we're just gonna give it a quick. I had to show the people this. I have to show the people. Look at this. Freaking crazy. Like, this is wild. Like, look at this. It's like Alice in Wonderland, the Yellow Brick Road. Skateboarder BMX Paradise. Look at this place. This place is genuinely crazy. Like, and like, it's abandoned. Like, this is creepy. You know? Ooh, it got spooky. Ooh. But no, this place is so cool. I was just like, I have to show the people. I took some pictures here and some better weather, so I'm gonna share those. But I have to make some footage before I may not ever have access to this again. So. Oh my god, that's so much fun. That's literally like a roller coaster. I'm gonna hit the big one. That's so much fun. Alright, last rip. Alright, let's get out of here because it's fenced off for a reason. I wanted to spend more time here, but, you know, I've been trying to get in trouble. I'm out. place is so cool. I wish I could have stayed more. I'm probably gonna use one of my photos from the other day as like the thumbnail. I'm not gonna go in there, but I'll get in trouble. I gotta go on Sunday when it's more chill. Oh, man, that shit was so fun. Like, look at this. This is so cool. Oh, can we? Ah, it's not really skatable. Not really enough curve for my liking to skate. But you gotta make do. Beggars can't be choosers. But I'm gonna keep this video kind of short. I'm kind of bummed. Like, man, I really wanted to show more of that area. I can't believe they fenced it off within like a week. I think I rode on Sunday. Today's Friday. So in less than a week, they fenced it all off. I mean, I'm glad it wasn't locked. You know, I was able to get through just fine. I really just wanted to be able to show people what that place was. Like, I showed some people some pics, and they're like, "What is this? Like, we gotta go." Like, and I was like, "Yeah, I gotta bring you." Like, all that cool jazz. But you know, like, I couldn't. You know, well, I mean, we were able to go in there, but like, I couldn't not make a video and show off the footage. You know, I had to show people that spot before I wasn't even able to, you know what I'm saying? Pictures didn't happen. So, I got footage of that, and I'm happy. I'm going to post this video soon so everybody can see it. Because that place is so cool not to see. I got some other videos that have been slow to edit, so it's okay to be mad at me. I've been really bad about it. Editing sucks. But I got a buddy who's going to help me out with some of these videos, so I'm going to be able to put more content out. But if I make these kind of like shorter videos that I don't have to do much editing, kind of the one-take Timmies, they'll be posted. So I got these kind of videos going right now that I'm going to film more, and I'm going to start uploading them more, because this was just a good adventure. Like, I kind of like that, just being able to, let's just go film, like, this looks fun. Like, I think people might like that, people might not like, because it's more like Mark brain, like, what's going on? Like, I thought this was going to be, oh, we could totally skate that. That looks totally skatable. So, we're adventure exploring, looking for skate spots too, you know. I gotta turn around. One little move, dirt bike turn. So maybe you get more idea how my brain works. I fucking love this thing, bro. The executive professional plaza. Like, I'm not professional. I totally belong here. Whoa. Yo. Dude. Wow. Sheesh. Yo, definitely bring the skateboard. That was fun. Yo, you know your boy just got some air. That was awesome. A little sidewalk. What's the sidewalk? Sheesh, this also could be a circuit. Oh, that is too big of a curve for me. I looked flat when I saw it. Dude, there's nobody over here. This place is creepy as smokes. Look and say, sheesh! No cap, that is bussin', fam. We out here busting it. That was a nice cone. Oh, I had it stuck. Did they really not think about me coming through here? Yo, that fence didn't work. Yo, did that fence? Oh my god. Did they really not fence it that good? Spoiler alert, these idiots. Oh, they're working on it. Oh, they're totally working on fencing it in. Dang. That's what's going on. Okay. Now they're fencing it in. Man, the homies gotta come quick if they want to try this boy out, you know? It never gets old, I swear. big ones. No, that was my favorite. The quick route. One more time on the quick one. This was my favorite because it's like a fast whoop section. That's the best. So much fun. I hope we still get access to this. I hope they don't tear this down. You know, I really hope. I hope people get to see that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's cool. It's fun. Yeah, they literally started working on this week. How do they have this gated off? We're gonna come this way, all the way around. Dang, they got a ways to go if they're gonna do this whole thing. Couch. Dang, they start over here too. Bro, that's such a bummer. That's such a beautiful spot. Yo, they can't close it off over here. Look at this. How are you gonna close this off? They got the whole street closed off? Oh, it's still open. So this is open. Don't worry, I'm gonna make a video of me riding on that next time. Dang, okay. So I haven't got this blocked off, but everything else is kind of open. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens in the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping I still have a way to kind of get in and show the friends, you know, come back on a Sunday. I mean, even on a Friday afternoon at 7, the place is dead. So I'm hoping when I bring the friends out, you know, they'll be able to ride it, or at least we can get in there and kind of see it. So one can only hope. I hope you guys are kind of enjoyed this video. I hope you guys saw the MOTOGP circuit. MOTOGP circuit still looks to be intact, so that still looks fine, so we can ride that. But man, that's kind of a bummer about that place. Freaking Alice in Wonderland, Wizard of Oz, that's a bummer. But I'm glad I got to show everybody. Everyone got to see it and experience the roller coaster with me. Hopefully I'm going to get back into more of these uploads. These are sort of my strength. You know, I'm able to do these, to focus on a quick topic, have some fun. And you know, I don't have to worry about editing, but I can also post, but also, you know, keep it brief and let's go, you know. But we're adventure exploring. Next time I'll make a video about that, another video about that, and so on. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment below what I need work on. Hopefully you guys like the Wizard of Oz. Have fun, enjoy the weekend. Be safe out there.